আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু স্কুল অফ ইংলিশ বাই মুশফিকা। আজকের লেসনে আমরা প্রশ্ন করা এবং উত্তর দেওয়া শিখব। তাহলে চলো ক্লাসটা শুরু করি। হোয়াটস ইউর নেম?
My name's Nasdin Mim.
ওয়্যার ইজ ইউর হোম টাউন?
My hometown is in Chattogram.
ডু ইউ হ্যাভ আ মোবাইল ফোন?
Of course, I have.
ওয়েন ডিড ইউ গেট ইউর ফার্স্ট মোবাইল?
I got my first mobile when I was 20 years old.
হোয়াট ডু ইউ মোস্ট ইউজ ইট ফর?
I mostly use it for preparing my assignments.
কুড আই আস্ক ইউ আ ফিউ পার্সোনাল কোয়েশ্চেন্স?
Of course, you can.
হোয়াটস ইউর ফ্যামিলি নেম?
My family members call me Mim.
হাউ মাচ টাইম ডু ইউ স্পেন্ড উইথ ইউর ফ্যামিলি?
I spend 4 or 5 hours with my family.
Who makes best food in your family?
My mother, indeed.
Is she a good cook?
Certainly she is.
What do you do for a living? Or what's your job? Or what's your profession?
I am a teacher.
Well, how would you describe yourself?
I am an honest and optimistic person.
Great. Do you love yourself?
Definitely, I love myself.
Nice to hear.
Thank you.
What do you love most about yourself?
I am friendly and I never give up on anything.
What bad habits do you want to break?
Laziness.
What good habits do you want to cultivate?
I want to pray my prayer regularly and I want to be disciplined as well.
Have you ever donated blood?
Yes, I have.
What do you think makes someone a good person?
I think honesty and truthfulness make someone a good person.
Are you here with anybody?
Yes, I have come here with my father.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 6th August.
What's the day today?
Today is Friday.
What's the time by your watch?
It is 10 o'clock.
What do you do every day?
I teach my students and I read books.
Why is daily routine important?
It is important to get rid of all the bad habits.
What are you planning to do today?
I am planning to go shopping with my friends.
Are you married?
No, I am unmarried.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I exercise in the morning.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually read newspapers.
What time do you usually have your breakfast?
Usually I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock.
What time do you usually have your lunch?
Generally I have my lunch at 2 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I go out for a walk.
What time do you have your dinner?
I have my dinner at 9 o'clock.
Do you watch TV at night?
No, I don't watch TV at night.
What sports do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch cricket.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 11 o'clock.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pulao and roast.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of weather do you like most?
I like rainy weather.
What types of stories do you like to read?
I like to read fictions.
What types of movies do you like to watch?
I like to watch animated and thriller movies.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Orno.
Can you speak French?
No, I cannot speak French.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 2 years.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you follow any YouTube channel?
Yes, I follow many YouTube channels.
Do you inspire your students?
Yes, I always inspire them.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Why?
because that time the weather remains moderate.
Which transport do you prefer?
I prefer bicycle.
Why do you prefer that?
I prefer that because it is environment friendly.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, I like them.
Do you think it is important to have a good relationship with your neighbors?
Certainly, it's important to have a good relationship with neighbors.